1.5 million short on homes, and Annapolis is among the areas where the shortage of homes still exists. Happy St. Patrick's Day! It's Friday, March 17th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Be in the know. Subscribe for your weekly local market updates. While there is ongoing construction, data indicates that a lot of the housing being built is in multifamily homes, apartment rentals. Nearly 95% of the multifamily housing is being built for these rentals. That doesn't bode well for home ownership, but developers make more money from multifamily units despite delivery taking 15 months versus 7 months. Icing on the cake for developers is the future rent collected once completed. It's the gift that keeps on giving to them. In Annapolis, we are seeing a lot of the same thing. Communities of new multifamily rental units being built. Remember when Regatta Bay and 1901 West Street started out as units for sale, then switched to being rental communities? This was after selling units to home buyers. Yeah, those buyers got the shaft, owning homes in an apartment building. Yeah. So what is available to buy in Annapolis right now? There are 86 units for sale in all 3 zip codes for Annapolis. 21401 has 33 for sale. 21403 has 38 for sale. 21409 has 15 for sale. All this indicates a continued housing shortage. Only 19 homes are coming soon, while only 9 new listings hit the market since my last report. 17 went under contract, 11 moved to pending, 19 sold in 5 median days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was in Fishing Creek Farm for $1,725,000. Rental inventory is holding steady at 22 homes for lease at $3,100 per month and going under lease in 13 days. What's on your mind about our local market? Let me know what you want to know in these updates. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 17th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Be well, and I'll see you next week.